Marco Mercado Photography dito sa Bokchon Row. And this is gonna be my one take vlog street photography. Andito tayo ngayon, bahala na. Uy, may nakikita akong chicks. Hindi mo chicks, wala. Ay,
You are weird.
I think I got it.
I hope you did.
Say hello, cameraman, Betro.
Oh.
Welcome to Bokchon Row.
Oh.
So, ano bang gagawin natin? Wala naman akong sasabihin. Ano lang to, POV. Kunyari kasama mo ako nagsi-streets. Uy, stuff only. So, hindi ko alam anong stuff yan. What the hell? Pag may dumaan. And Hugo. Ayan. Ito na yun.
Swiss, I think binigay ng Swiss.
Swiss. So, pag may dumaan. May guy na dumadaan. Nag-photo din siya. Oh, diba? One last, wait lang, passerby. Ka-close up mo naman, idol. Ito na lang si Kuya. 감사합니다. Okay.
Insane car.
No, they don't go here. I like the boots with the fur. Look, she has
Boots
the
with the fur.
With the fur. Ooh, there's a couple. If I get this couple passing by, I think that's good. Okay.
Alright.
Move back. Oh, this one is back.
You got it. Street photography sucks. Just kidding.
I think that's good.
That's very good.
Okay, settings ko right now, aperture priority mode, ISO 800, because I don't care. And then aperture is f10 or 11, you know, moves around. F11, and then manual focus sa lens, straight to infinity. Everything's in focus. Everything. Look at that upper bottom boots with fur. So mag-aperture priority. The shutter speed ko 800, 2000, whatever. You know?
That's insane.
Insane.
Insane indeed.
Now there's a busy corner there. Like walk. This one
Oh, that sucks.
sometimes in life you miss. It's okay.
Alright, I'm gonna pause it for a bit. My
Okay, we back. Nagkamot ng ass si Beto.
okay.
Beto, come here. Come, dito. It's that easy.
Very.
Street photography is easy.
Yep.
Street photography.
Very easy.
Yeah. It also helps if you greet people. If you don't have the opportunity to like ask for their permission because it won't be natural anymore. So you take a photo, they notice you, you smile at them, just
Sometimes it's a bit creepy.
it's fine. Then greet them, 안녕하세요, 안녕. Or sometimes if they don't notice you, just keep walking. They won't know. Ninja.
Pedophile.
So now what do we do?
I'm not sure.
There's another.
Ooh, this counts. Ooh,
What?
this counts.
So that looks good. That looks good, yeah.
This count look good. Residential area pala.
It's a red red.
Oh! It fell. Oopsie.
You pause it?
It fell.
Ah, okay. Wait lang.
Hello.
Ito, bumili na ako sa mga kaibigan mo.
Cool. This will continue later.
Did you get that though?
I did get a bit.
Did you got it? It's okay. Where do we go now? I don't wanna.
My Maya notification. Famous.
Anong meron dyan?
Okay. Let's go, Beto. Let's keep vlogging. Do you want to ask any question?
I need a bathroom.
You need a bathroom.
Actually, we have 2 hours.
Come on. Actually, let's have some coffee.
Sure.
That's not bad.
I hope there's a restroom.
Actually, I want the cafe across the street. Let's just go there. No?
I hope there's a restroom. Or probably a good one.
Tą gradację taką jak 17-latków od dzisiaj.
Let's pee.
Alright. I'm gonna cut this.
No, no, no.
Oh, no cut? No cut? Alright.
Parang yan na yung mas natin.
Yo.
It's okay. Actually, nearest toilet.
Go 1 minute. There is a community center where you can use toilet. First floor. Go 1 minute. Can you see the
Yeah, yes, yes.
Why?
Just doing street photography, sir.
Huh?
It's this one, street photography.
Yeah, I can cancel it, reject it.
Okay. I'll delete it.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Cancel it.
This one.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
It's okay. It's okay. This one. Okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, some people doesn't like it, so
Yeah.
you may want to ask first. Go there, 1 minute, and on the right side.
Okay.
Toilet. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See? Got
So
a dress.
it's like the first time I got confronted. But it's okay.
Yeah.
I mean, it was a good photo, but they don't like it. I mean, if they ask,
Yeah.
有一个人当
Don't be a bitch
Don't be a
about
dick.
it.
Yeah.
Don't be a bitch about it.
because if they don't want, they're not.
True, true. Now, we gotta get to that restroom.
So that's
I got it right.
y con mi hermano mayor porque yo no conocía el estadio.
okay. I think this is where we end.
Alright, boy.
Goodbye. I'm gonna get some matcha.